Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Let's start with this sum. Now first, here 25 we are going to change this into the exponential form. How you can change? 25 means 5 into 5, so you can write 5 square here into t raised to minus 4 divided by 5 raised to minus 3 into this 10. You can write 5 into 2. Next, into t raised to minus 8. Now we are going to use here laws of exponents. First law I am going to use a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m plus n, and again next I will use a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m minus n. Now this you can write in this form also, a raised to the power m. Instead of this sign I will put a division bar and a raised to the power n. Your answer will be same, a raised to the power m minus n. If any doubt you can go through my previous video. I have explained their laws of exponents. I will share that link also in description box. You can go through that video. Now next, here you can take this 5 raised to the power minus 3 in numerator. But what I am going to do to get understand everybody, so I am solving first these two. Okay. So let's start. 5 raised to 2 into t raised to minus 4. I am keeping as it is in this step. And next I am going to solve these two numbers. Okay. So what I will write here, 5 raised to this form, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. So 5 raised to minus 3 plus 5 raised to nothing means 1, 1. Now 2 into 2 into t raised to minus 8. First you solve this. 5 square into t raised to minus 4 divided by minus 3 plus 1. Opposite signs are there. Subtract here. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Bigger number sign is minus. So what you will get? 5 raised to minus 2 into this 2 into t raised to minus 8. Now next. Now what I am going to do here? I am going to use this law now here. Okay. You can see here a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. You are getting here 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 5 raised to minus 2. Here also t raised to the power minus 4 divided by t raised to the power minus 8. So start this with using this formula. So 2 square. What you are doing here? See that you are writing exponents and keeping in between minus sign. Same we are going to do. What you have to do? First power 5 square I have written here. After that minus sign you have to keep, and after that second exponent, that is minus 2, that I will keep in bracket, minus 2. Now into t raised to minus 4 minus, because minus sign is here, minus, what is here? Minus 8. Now what is left in denominator? 2. So I will write here 2. Now solve this. 5 raised to, what you will get? See here, minus into minus plus. So here 2 plus 2. What you will get? Raised to 4 into. Now t raised to, here minus into minus plus. So here plus 8. Minus 4 plus 8. What you will get? Plus 4. This sign conventions also I have explained in that video. So you go through that video. You will get whatever your doubts, it will get clear. Now next, 2 in denominator as it is. Now what you will get here? Now 5 raised to 4. What is 5 raised to 4? 5 into 5 how many times? 4 times. After multiplying, what you will get? 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. So 5 raised to 4 means 625 into t raised to 4 and divided by 2. Okay, this is your answer. Now come to this sum. Here 125, if you know that it is 5's cube, otherwise you can take out by factorization method. 125, 5, 5 2s are 2, then 25 5 5s are, then again here 5 5s are and 5 1s are. How many times 5 is repeating? 3 times. That means 125 is 5's cube. Okay. Now next, again for this 10 raised to the power minus 5, I am going to apply this law. A raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equals to a into b raised to the power m. Okay. How it is? Because this 10 you can write in the form of 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10. That is, and what is m here? Minus 5. Okay. That time how you are writing? Here a raised to m you are writing. That means you will write here 2 raised to minus 5. Your m is minus 5 into, what is your b? 5. Therefore 5 raised to minus 5. Similarly, you will change for 6 raised to the power minus 5. What you will get? 3 into 2. Therefore, 3 raised to the power minus 5 into 2 raised to the power minus 5. Now, let's start. Here, 3 raised to the power minus 5 into, instead of 10 raised to minus 5, I will write here now 2 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to minus 5. Into 125, I will write 5's cube. Next, in denominator, 5 raised to minus 7 into, what I will write? 3 raised to minus 5 into 3 2s are 6. Therefore, 2 raised to minus 5. Now, next step. To avoid confusion, first I am going to solve this. Okay. For that I am using here a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m plus n. Okay. Remaining as it is. So start writing 3 raised to the power minus 5 into 2 raised to minus 5 into, here apply this law, 5 raised to minus 5 plus 3. In denominator, 5 raised to minus 7 into 3 raised to minus 5 into 2 raised to minus 5. Now here opposite signs are there, therefore you are subtracting. Therefore 5 minus 3 is 2. Keep bigger number sign minus, therefore minus 2. 5 raised to minus 2. So write it again. 3 raised to minus 5 into 2 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to minus 2 here. In denominator, 5 raised to minus 7 into 3 raised to minus 5 into 2 raised to minus 5. Now I am going to apply this law. A raised to power m divided by a raised to n is equals to a raised to m minus n. Next step. Okay. Now here 3 raised to minus 5 and here divided by 3 raised to minus 5. How I will write? 3 raised to minus 5, minus sign in between and again minus 5. Got it? Now next, into. Next, 5. 5 raised to, what is here? 5 raised to minus 2. Minus 2, minus sign, this middle sign, and in bracket, 5 raised to minus 7 is here in denominator, therefore minus 7. Now, next for 2, into 2. 2 raised to, what is in numerator? 2 raised to minus 5. Got it? Middle sign, minus sign, and what is in denominator? 2 raised to minus 5. Therefore, in bracket, minus 5. Now solve this. Here 5, here minus into minus is plus. Minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Therefore 3 raised to 0. Into. Here minus into minus plus 7. Minus 2 plus 7 is here plus 5. So 5 raised to 5. Into. Again here minus into minus plus. Minus 5 plus 5. 0. Therefore 2 raised to 0. Now again you have learned one law. A raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Therefore 3 raised to 0 is equals to 1 into 5 raised to 5 into 1. So what you will get here? 1 into 5 raised to 5 into 1 is 5 raised to 5. Now how many times you are multiplying 5? 5 times. So where I will do here? Here I am doing. I hope you can see here. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125s are 625. 625 multiplied by 5. How much you are getting? 5 5s are 25. 2 carry over. 5 2s are 10. Plus 2 is 12. 1. Then 5 6 are 30 and 1 is 31. So your answer is 3125. I hope all of you understood. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.